Karen.
Hi everybody, this is MaDonna from Mad Bees Quilt and Sew, and it is Monday, so I'm back here again, and today I am going to start you off with our new project. So as of today, or as of our new videos, you'll be able to either watch them here on Facebook Live, or you'll be able to join us on our YouTube channel. So either way, and you can go back and watch any of the things on either of those mediums also. So it's really kind of fun to be able to see me whenever you want. So the project that we're going to work on next is actually from Karen Montgomery. Her business is called the Quilt Company, and it is called Baby Bargello. And I'm kind of sad that they called it Baby Bargello just because people think it's a baby quilt. It does not have to be. I have seen it done in patriotic, I've seen it done in lots of different things, but it's just a smaller version of a quilt, okay? So it is a nice size lap throw. It works up to be 42 by 48, so a really nice throw quilt. Anybody you know that's in a wheelchair, it's perfect size for that, okay? So really nice size. So this is what we're gonna start working on next Monday. So for next Monday, I need you to get some basic supplies together. This first week, we're going to be cutting. So you'll need your rotary cutter. Please put a new blade in. You'll need a cutting mat, a 24-inch length ruler. Those are the basics that you're going to start off with. You may like a marking tool, such as chalk or one of the Frixion pens or something like that. That'll be in our first class. In our second class, we'll be moving on to sewing, piecing. So you'll need to have some thread that's a neutral color. Then in our fourth one, we'll be cutting again. And then we're going to be putting them together. So we'll still stay in that neutral thread color. So you'll need your sewing machine with your bobbin and all that. And then we'll start into quilting it. And this time, remember last time we did very basic quilting, or I sent mine off to the quilter, whatever you want to do. But we're going to actually do a little bit of quilting on this one so that way we can move into that step. And then we'll be doing binding and getting all of the elements of this quilt together. So next week when we tune in, we're going to talk about fabric choices and cutting and how I picked mine and why I picked mine. And then we'll talk about how to best press it. So we've got lots of information for next week, Monday. So next week, Monday, I will be here with you. We will tune in about the same time. You know, I'm a business, so when we've got the availability, we get on and we talk to you, and we're going to be using the Baby Bargello pattern. This pattern is available across the market, so you're going to be able to pick it up anywhere. We do have copies of it in the store, and I really recommend that you buy a copy of it so you can follow along, and that so you learn how to be using a pattern. Because me just giving you instructions is one thing, but following somebody's written instructions is also part of the skill that we're working on. So this is a $2.50 pattern. It is from the Quilt Company, and Karen Montgomery is actually the designer of it. So get your copy so that way you can follow along with us. Everybody have a great week. I will see you next week, Monday, about the same time. And join us either through Facebook or YouTube, and have a great week. Tune in tomorrow for Comments Sold. Bye now.